binding. I'm going to bind this little zipper pouch, and so we start with our binding, cut on a 45-degree angle. So you can use any ruler you like to do this. So 45 degrees. I've got this lovely little binding tool that I like to use. And I know that when my name is like this, that's the right angle to start with. So it needs to be cut on this angle to start with. And then I start around the corner from the first corner, and I fold my first corner and then because this is just a small thing and to make it easier to join the binding later, I'll just start really close to the end here, just so into the crease and a back stitch. And then just take it away from, you don't have to take it out of the machine, just away and turn it around. And then just start sewing from the edge. And again, I do a back stitch. Okay, sewing down. And now I'll fold my next corner, so out on its angle. And then back on itself, and then open it up, so, and you can see that crease there, so that's where I'm going to sew to that crease. Again, a little back stitch. And we just take it away and turn our corner. So from the edge again and back. And another corner. This time I'm just going to sew halfway down here. So I'll stop before I get, so I'll just stop here. And I'm going to fold the corner. And just use a pin or a clip and hold it there, and then bring your binding, overlap it with your starting piece, and then the underneath angle there, mark that onto the top. So that's the angle I want, and that's my placement. Then I've allowed that so that it gives me room to take it away, and then we can just take that out of the machine too. So it allows me to take it away and use any of these tools. So we need it to make our thing 1/2 inch past that marked line. So this ruler does that, so that's on my pencil line, and that gives me 1/2 inch. And I can just mark that with a pencil. You can take it to your cutting board and just go along there with a rotary cutter. You can use just your 45-degree ruler, but I get a little tangled with this one because you've got to put your 45 on your line, and yep, I get a little bit mixed up with that one. And there's this other ruler that's a really handy ruler to have, and it's the same. It's got your 1/2 inch marked, and you just put that on your pencil line and draw your line down. Okay, and then we'll just chop that off on our drawn line. and we'll join it to our start. You just got your little end poking out there, your 1/4 inch on each end. And then we'll sew across. So now we've got our binding all joined up. Just give that a little finger press flat, makes it sit just a bit better. And then our corner that we folded up here, we just fold it back again. And just finish sewing our binding on. Look at that, fits perfectly every time. There we go, binding all complete.